Alright, what's up YouTube? So today we are doing headlights there on a 2014 Chevy Equinox. This would be the same for, I believe, 2010 through 2017 Equinoxes with this body style. Can't say for certain that all of them are this way, but specifically the 2014 has these access points. So all the videos I've seen is where you go in, you remove the whole front bumper. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab yourself a, see if I can get it, there we go. Gonna grab yourself a T20. It's a star, looks like this. This is a T20. There you go. So a T20, you're gonna put it in your socket, or if you just have a T20 wrench or screwdriver, that's fine too. That'll do the same thing. So you're gonna locate your access point underneath the front wheel wells. It looks like this. Okay. You are gonna take your T20. Once I get it back in here, I'm trying to do this all with one hand. Okay, and then you're gonna locate your bolt, which mine would be right here. Okay, screw that. Alright, so I have the bolt out. Here it is. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to reach in, grab it like such, and just twist. And then it should pop right on out. Mine twist the other way. Alright, so twist it and it should pop right out. Now you're going to reach in and you're going to feel around till you find this one is actually missing its cap. So it's been replaced before. Grab the cap from this side. So the cap looks like this. This one does not have it. You can't see in there, but a cap like that should be down in here. So once you locate that, you're gonna pull your cap out, set it aside, reach back in again, and let me show you guys this if you can see it. So here's what I'm looking at. So here's the access point that would have been uncovered once you remove that cap, and then you can see the plug right in there. You're gonna reach in, grab that plug, and you're gonna twist it. Okay, and then it should be fairly easy to twist, and then you'll have your bulb out. So from here, let's see if I can kind of set you guys up. There we go. From here, you are gonna come on. Alright, whatever. So from here, you're gonna grab this little latch right here. You can do it with your thumb, push it out and pull. Alright, and that's that. And then you're gonna just put in your new bulbs, which we have right here. Plug them in. Grab your new bulbs, plug them in, and put the cap back on, put that one cover back on, and put the screw in. It is pretty important that you guys do put these caps back on, because they have a rubber seal on here which helps prevent water from getting into your headlight. So make sure these go back on and they're on right. If you like this video, please subscribe. I could really use your if you like this video, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind also commenting what you think on the video down below. Let me know how well I did, and let me know what else you guys are working on that you may need help with.